Hey guys, Sai is here, and in this video I'm going to talk about 5 best call recording dialers. Okay, this is not APKs, this is a modules. This is a Magisk modules. And the super important point is this Magisk modules working on Magisk. Of course, this is a Magisk module, so working on Magisk, but as well as also working on kernel SU. So this is very interesting and important point. Okay, let's talk about the modules, but before move on the process, if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files and updates, and this all modules I uploading on my Telegram channel. So if you want this module, so you need to join that Telegram channel and you can able to download this all modules. Okay, so without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay, let's start from first dialer. As we can see, my device is rooted with kernel SU. As I previously told, these modules are working on Magisk as well as on kernel SU. Okay, I will tell you how to install these modules at the end of this video. So first of all, I install this first dialer. This is the Infinix XOS dialer. Okay, so after opening this dialer, it will going to crash, as we can see. So how to fix it? Simple, just go on app info and give the whole permissions of this APK. Okay, you need to give all permission and notification to this dialer. Okay, so I'm going to give all the permission to this dialer. Okay, after giving all the permission, when you going to open this dialer, as we can see here, it is opened successfully, and you just need to click on agree and set it as a default dialer. After that, click on this settings. Okay, as we can see here, it is the auto call recording option is present on this dialer. Okay, so here it is, a lot of features is present. Okay, now I'm not going to talk about that features. Let's move on the call. And as we can see, the interfaces looks very good. It is a look of transparent look. Okay, and as we can see here, it is the recording option is present. Okay, now recording is successfully turned on, and as we can see, notification is here, the recording is successful. Okay, and this recording is present on in directory of music, phone record, and as we can see here, it is that recorded session is present. Okay, so this dialer is working perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to delete this recording because we need to go talking about next dialer. So let's move on the next dialer. So here it is, the next dialer is Lineage OS dialer. Okay, so again I installed this dialer on my device through kernel SU. Okay, you can install this dialer through Magisk also. Okay, just install this dialer. After installing dialer, as we can see here, it is the option is present. So here it is, the dialer is telephone dialer. Open it, click on allow. Okay, then click on this turn on, click on allow. Okay, now we are good to go to record things. But before moving to use this dialer, first of all we need to give permissions to this dialer, because sometimes it will going to crash if you not giving permission to dialer. So in entire video you need to give permission to all the dialers. Okay, let's check it. Okay, actually I am not set default this LOS dialer. So open settings, go on app section, go on default apps, and here it is, we need to set phone app to LOS as a default dialer. Okay, after that, when we are going to call, and as we can see, the Lineage OS dialer is here. Now click on this record option, and as we can see, the recording is going to successful. Okay, after that, where you get this recording, just open file manager and go on this recordings option, call recording, and as we can see here, it is the call recorded. Okay, so I'm going to delete this recording because we are need to going to check next dialer. Okay, so this dialer is also working fine. Okay, this is the Lineage OS dialer, and a lot of features is present, so I'm not cover this whole features, just overview here. Okay, so you check from you. Okay, so now talking about the next dialer. So the next dialer is Motorola My UI 5 dialer. Okay, so this dialer is working on Android 13 ROMs only. Okay, no guarantee it work on Android 12 or 11. So try it. If it is working for you, then it is good. Okay, let's talk about this dialer. So after installing, reboot your device, as we know. Okay, after that go on default apps, just set this My UI dialer to default. After that go on app info of this dialer and give all the permissions to this dialer. Okay, after that open it, and now I'm going to check some options on settings. Here it is, a call recording option is present, and you can set call recording automatically for all callers. If you want to set it, then set it, otherwise leave it. Okay, here it is, a different type of features are present, so I'm not going to cover that features. Let's directly move on the calling option. Okay, I called it, and here it is, the recording option is present, and the recording is going to successful. There is no error messages. Okay, so where you watch this recording, where you see this recording, as we can see, here it is, the recording option is perfectly fine and recording is successfully done. Okay, so I'm going to delete this music because the recording is present on that music. Okay, so this is the dialer, and this dialer is very working fine. This dialer is very good. Now talking about the next dialer. Okay, but one important point, when you install this next dialer, okay, this dialer is AOSP dialer, this is a Octavi dialer. Okay, but when you're going to install this dialer, you need to note some important points. What that points? So as we can see, I'm going to install this dialer again. So as we can see, here it is, that Octavi dialer. Click, when you installing this dialer, just click on volume up button. After that, click on volume down button. You need to don't disable this Google dialer. As you can see, it asks you press volume up key to disable Google dialer. So don't disable Google dialer, just click on volume down button. Okay, so note this point, don't disable Google dialer, otherwise this dialer going to crash. This Octavi dialer going to crash and it's not working fine. So note this point, when you install this Octavi AOSP dialer, don't it asks you some options like as we can see, here it is, it's asking me, do you want to install AOSP dialer? Yes, then click on volume up, and it asks you, do you want to disable this Google dialer? Then no, don't disable, then click volume down button. That means don't disable Google dialer. Okay, just this important point you need that. Okay, after that, after reboot, as we can see, here it is, the dialer is present. Okay, so give the all permission to this dialer, also set it as a default dialer. Okay, after that it will work fine. Okay, so I'm giving all the permission to this dialer, and now I'm going to go on app section, default apps. As we can see, I already give permission to as a default app to this dialer. After that open it, and as we can see, go on settings, and here it is, a different type of settings is present. Now I'm going to call. So as we can see, the interfaces looks very good. Looks very good, and here it is, our recording option is present, and the recording is going to properly successfully, no issue. Okay, here it is, the recording is successfully done, and there is no errors on recording, and the sound is here, there is no errors in this dialer. Okay, so this is the dialer, this is the Octavi USB dialer. Okay, now talking about the last and final dialer. Okay, so what is that last final dialer? So let's talk about that last and final dialer. Okay, now it is a final dialer, which is Rising OS. Okay, it is not only dialer, it is a bunch of apps like dialer, contacts, and messaging app. Okay, these are the combo of 3 apps, right? I already installed it. So as we can see, here it is, a different apps are, different bunch of session is present. So this is a contact, message, and here it is, the dialer app. So first of all, we need to give all the permission to this dialer. Okay, after that set it as a default phone call app. Okay, this is I already set it. Okay, now open this dialer, and as we can see, go on settings. Here it is, a different type of options is present. Now I am going to call it. So let's see what happened. As we can see, it's like a material use support. Okay, and as we can see, recording option is done successfully without any issue. Okay, let's check it, the recording is successful or not. And I like it because I like this mod because it supports material you, I mean theming option is supported. And here it is, the call recording is successfully done without any error. So these are the best 5 call recording dialers which work on Magisk as well as work on kernel SU. Okay, so please, if you like this video, then please like this video. And now talking about the installation process, it is very simple. Go on the install section of Magisk or kernel SU. After that, flash that module, then click on reboot. That's it. It is installed successfully. After installing successfully, when your device is reboot, you can see that dialers. Okay, just give the permission to that dialers, going on app info and give all the permission to that dialers, and also set as default dialer. That's it. Then you are good to go to use that dialers. Okay, so if you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.